Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today something really different. This is my Supreme Pizza Roast Chicken. It sounds weird. This is amazing, believe me. Right, like pizza, like chicken, this gives you the best of both worlds. 2 slices of just sliced bread, just giving that a rough tear, and I'm putting that in my food processor with a little bit of pepper. Right, now all these quantities are basically to taste. Alright, we're going to give that a quick blitz up, just like that. Right, really nice and simple, and that's going to give us our base for our stuffing. Put that to a bowl. Right, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in some mushroom. Right, so everything you put on a pizza: mushroom, ham, pepperoni, you could salami, you could use bacon. Right, some olives. Right, they're going in. There goes our olives. All of that is going to go straight in. A little bit of onion, and of course a little bit of green capsicum or bell pepper. That's going to go straight in. Right, everything you would find on a Supreme Pizza. If you don't know what's on a Supreme Pizza, look up the menu of your local pizza shop and just copy all of those ingredients and try and get an even quantity of each. Some fresh herbs, right? A bit of basil, a little bit of parsley. That's all going to go in as well. And I'm going to give this a quick blitz. Right, just like that. And when I thought of this idea, I thought, is it going to work or not? I'll leave the camera running and we'll see what happens. And believe me, it works. So everything goes straight into the glass bowl, just like that. Doesn't have to be glass, of course. I'm going to add in some cheese. You can use mozzarella. I'm actually using a Mexican blend. It's got a real nice melt point. It's got a real nice taste to it, and it's got a nice milky flavor as well. Just mix all of that together, just like we're doing right there. Okay, now you'd actually put that straight on top of a pizza base and it worked perfectly. Some pizza sauce. Yes, just store-bought pizza sauce. Add that in. We're going to give that a bit of a mix. And you're probably scratching your head saying, KP, what are you doing? I'm making one of the best stuffings I've ever made in my life. Believe me. I couldn't taste the difference between this and a Pizza Hut pizza. Okay, give all of that a good stir through, just like that. And that pizza sauce is going to help sort of hold everything together. Right. Now here I've got a pterodactyl. It is a 2.4 kilo chicken. It is huge. Right, I bought the chicken first and then decided what to do with it. That's the truth. Just stuff that pizza stuffing straight into the bird, just like I'm doing right there. And if you spill a little bit, it's not the end of the world. Okay, I'm not going to sew this one shut this time. I'm just going to let it sit. Now we need a little bit more flavouring for the chicken. A little bit of spray oil over the top. That's going to help our herbs stick, and it's also going to give us a really nice crust. Bit of salt over the top, just a nice fine layer, as much or little as you like. Okay, and a little bit of pepper as well, as much or little as you like. I'm going to use a mixture of black and white pepper. The white pepper is just going to give it a little tinge of heat. All right, that's all. Just goes straight over the top. Now here I've got some tomato powder. All right, sprinkle that over the top, and that's going to give the skin an amazing flavour. Believe me, it's my favourite part of the chicken as well. The oven's already sitting at 180 degrees. A few mixed herbs, put those straight over the top as well, just like that. So yeah, 180 degrees in the oven, and of course this chicken is sitting on a roasting tray. It's going to get heat all the way around it, and we'll end up with a real nice even cook. That is going into the oven, half an hour per 500 grams or 1 hour per kilo, and it should come out looking a little bit like that. How good does that look? What do you taste it? It's even better. Alright, like to see and try and make this one at home, folks. It's really simple to do, and it's a really nice, interesting flavour. You can serve that up with some hot chips, maybe a bit of mushrooms on the side. I'll leave that up to you. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell once again so you won't miss a video. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something a little bit unique, a little bit of fusion, a little bit off the wall, just like this one, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Supreme Pizza Chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.